What is the plan? Yeah, remove the old carpet. Okay, good. We'll remove the old carpet. Then make the measurement. Okay, that okay. Make the measurement. Then what we'll do? To buy new one. How to buy? How will buy? My question: how will buy? Shape. Okay, no. How? Where will go? To go to the store. Yes, to go to the store with the money. Correct or not? So there you can find out different types of carpet, right? Correct or not? If you sit in the carpet, different types, different quality, okay, color, then thickness, right? Then what? Made which country made? Kuwait or Iran or Afghan. Okay, they're all good carpets and all. Okay, like this. Okay. Variety of carpets. Okay, then you ask the price, correct or no? Okay, suppose you measured 9-meter carpet is required, not area, lengthwise. 9 meter. Okay, 9-meter carpet is required. Suppose you measure 9 meter. Okay. Then they said the price is 7 dinar. Then what will you do next? Your requirement is you measured, it is 9 meter. Then he said this carpet is, you like that carpet? He said 7 dinar. What will you do next? Huh? You'll bargain. Yes, you will bargain. Correct or no? You will bargain. Sure, you will bargain. Even kubus also you bargain. Correct or no? For kubus you bargain. Correct? Yes, you bargain kubus also for now. Okay. So you bargain, maybe you'll get price less. Okay. So that's another part. Okay. So after, okay, then you buy, how many meter you buy? 9 meter. Then after that, what will do? You purchase 9 meter, then what will do? Go home. Okay, then put the carpet. Okay, put the new carpet. Then done, finish. Then put the new carpet on our floor. Okay, so it will fit or not? Okay, it will fit or not? My question is that. Saad, I didn't get a message from you. Saad. Hey, Saad, you told me you'll send the message. I didn't get it. Why? Saad, you said your parents will send the message about your absence, but you didn't get it. You didn't send it. I'm asking you, Saad. No, I need a message. Okay. Okay. For that day, what is the reason? You send me. Okay. Look at here. Okay, you put the carpet. It will fit. You purchase 9 meter. It will fit in your room. I don't think. No, I don't think. So you have to listen. You have to cut. You have to cut the carpet and the side cutting and all. So for how will fit that one? You measure the just floor area only, right or no? Right? So what will do now? You already cut the carpet and you reach home. Then what will you do? So you can't do anything. It won't fit on your home. So what you're supposed to do? You measured the floor length 9 meter. Actually, is supposed to buy how much? Return, who will take money? Your home. your uncle shop to return? Come on. Others, your uncle have a carpet shop to return. They won't take it. Once it is cut, they won't take it. Even cut or not cutting also, they won't take it. Okay. You cut, it won't fit. That's the problem. So what is the actual solution is what? Before you bring home. Before cutting, there is a solution. Yes. Nadir. Buy extra. Correct or no? You suppose 8 meter not fit. Nadir. You have to buy 10 meter. Extra you have to buy. Correct or no? Right? Because some part for required for cutting, stitching, for side cutting and all. So extra 1 meter you have to buy, purchase. Okay. Then come on. So you purchase 10 meter. You purchase 10 meter. After fixing, you measure again. After fixing, you measure again the floor. How much meter? After you measure, after 9 meter only. Correct or no? Again 9 meter only. 1 meter is waste, cutting, stitching, and all. Are you okay now? How come 81 meter? This from where is 81 meter coming? Our requirement is 9 meter. 81 meter for what? You're going to for fix in your school or ground? Area, forget about. I didn't ask you about the area. Okay. Okay. Now another question. Listen here. Hello, another question. Suppose you have planned to stitch a shirt. Okay. Hello. You used to buy from the shop according to your measurement. How will you get according to your measurement the shirt? Suppose maybe you are using 41 or 42 and all. How they knows you are using 42, 41 shirt and all? How will they know? Measurement of they measure your size? No, they won't measure it. The manufacturer, they made a shirt and coming to Lulu or in other shops. It is it is you know, it is called average. You learn statistics that one. Okay, that time we'll discuss it. Okay. Okay, your shirt now you're going to make a shirt by stitching. You buy cloth. Okay, you measure your body. It is around 1.5 meter required. 1.5 meter for the shirt. You measure the shirt. You got 1.5 meter. Is it okay if we purchase 1.5? We can make a shirt. Then what? You have to buy what? More. Maybe 2 meter you have to purchase. Correct or no? 2 meter you have to purchase. Oh, 3 meter no need. 3 meter is too much. Okay. 2 meter you have to purchase. 0.5 meter cutting, stitching, and waste. 2.5 no need man. Okay. 2 meter enough. We can don't cut more than your shirt piece. Okay. So just 0.5 meter required for cutting and stitching and all. Correct or no? Okay. Now back to our question. Okay, first part we got 54.4. Okay. Second part, this one anyway we need closed cylinder. So total CSA. CSA we got already 87.12. Okay. Now look at here. I'll get this part. I'll give the note. X meter square you purchased. Okay. Suppose X meter square you purchased. Don't write down. X meter square you purchased. In that question saying X by 12 is waste. X by 12 is waste. Okay. Balance how much? Like shirt. 2 meter you purchased. 0.5 meter waste. Then 2 minus half. That is 1.5. Like that. Actual steel on the tank is X minus X by 12. Correct or not? X minus X by 12, not 1 by 12. X minus X by 12. Clear or not? You purchase X meter square. X by 12 cutting and waste thrown. Then balance is x minus x by 12. How much is one? 12 is the LCM. 12x plus x, that is 11x by 12 we can see on the tank. In tank we can see 11x by 12. Are you okay? Right? Are you okay or not? Okay, listen. You purchase x meter square. You purchase from the shop x meter square. As for the question, x by 12, 1 by 12 of the steel. 1x into 1 by 12. X by 12 is waste, cutting and all. Balance how much? X minus x by 12. Like carpet, 10 meter you purchase, 1 meter cutting, balance like this. Okay, that this is equal to 87.12 because that is the total surface area. Okay, right now, let the actual area steel used. 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 X meter square. X meter square. X meter square. Okay. Let the actual area steel used x meter square. Then wastage waste x by 12. Then balance x minus x by 12. X minus x by 12. That is 12x minus x by 12. 12x minus x by 12. That is 11x by 12. 11x by 12. 11x by 12. 11x by 12. Okay. That is 11x by 12 equal to 87.12. I'll explain again. Look at here. First, you write, let the actual steel used x meter square. Sorry, let the actual steel purchase x meter square. Waste x by 12. Balance x minus x by 12 equal to 12x minus x by 12. That is 11x by 12. Then next line, right? 11x by 12 equal to 11x by 12 equal to 87.12. 87.12. Okay, find out x now. Okay. So X equal 95.04. That means this much meter you have to purchase it. That much of meter square. Look at here. We listen. One question. We discussed last class about the timing and all. Then why everyone sending message me what the time today, right? So you today morning, early morning onwards sending. I'm getting message today what the time and all. Then for what we're discussing the class. And every time asking, what is test portion? Test portion is what? Which chapter going on now? Surface area volumes. That's only. Okay. Mansvi, surface area volumes. Okay. Okay. So next, this is finished now. This is clear now. This is one of the little bit difficult question. Okay. Now try next question. Yeah, triangle. That later will let triangle and discuss again. Okay, revision I do. Okay. This time, listen. I told you know. I have office till 3 o'clock. I think later I have to go every days. This week only Wednesday only I have to go. So that's why I went today. I reached 3:45. 4 to 6 I have another class. Then your class like that. Okay. So next week I don't know. Next week I have no idea because the schedule is next week. Maybe 50%. Then I don't know that. Okay. Anyway, Saturday, no change. Okay. Okay. Now we try 10th questions. No need to draw the figure. Okay. Just start. Okay, you're getting the 10th questions. Okay, are you getting? Okay. Suppose if you're not getting, look at here. Listen. Look. Like this one lampshade. Okay. You have to cover with the paper. We can cover, if it is like this, look. Okay, this is not, this covering not like this. Okay, look at here. Lampshade means what? Lampshade. Come on. You can see the picture. Lampshade means what? Just go to the electrical shop and see the lampshade. What? Or go to Google, check it. What is that one? Lampshade. Not seen. Like this one, inside one bulb is there. Okay. Okay, look at here. But we are going to make a cover. Look, cover is not like this. Look, it just keep 2.5 centimeter more. Look, 2.5 centimeter more. That for what? To fold like this. See, we can fold like this. If it is just, look, if it is just touched like this, no chance to fold. Are you okay? If it is just till the top, we cannot fold. Correct or no? Right? So that's why we keep it a little more like this. So 2.5 here, 2.5 here. So the height is 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. How much? 35. Are you okay? The height is 30. 30 means this is 30. The full length 30 plus 2.5 top, 2.5 down. That means 35. H is 35. R is given how much? 10 centimeter. Okay, now we can find out 2 pi RH. Finish. Okay. 2 pi RH equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 10 into 35. Okay, do fast now. Okay, 2,200 centimeter square. Okay, now question number 11. Now question number 11. After that, we'll go to the extra questions. Okay, try question number 11. Write the question and try. I don't know that is big or not. We don't care about it. Okay, you finish according to the question. Okay. Okay. Start now. Question number 11. What do you mean by the pen holder means what? A base and lattice surface. Just like a cup, like this cup. Correct or no? Which area to find out? Base area plus curved surface area. Okay, finish it fast. Okay, you finish? Hello, finish? Okay, okay, I'll wait, I'll wait, I'll wait. I'll wait. Look at here now. Hello. This is a pen holder, just like a cylinder with a base. Okay. Look. Looks like this. Okay. So this is the base. The radius is 3. Radius is 3 centimeter. Height is 10.5. Okay. So we need 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh. Maybe you are taking this much time. This type of figure, pi value 2 into pi into r is 3 square plus 2 pi into 3 into 10.5. Okay. So then 2 pi into 9 plus 2 pi in this is listen 2 pi 6 pi 2 pi into 3 into okay 105 by 100. Okay, no 10.5 10.5 we can write 105 by 1 by 10. Okay, so then 18 pi plus we can cancel, this is 2 5 cancel here 21. So how much? 63 pi, correct? If listen, all pi values follow like this. Don't substitute pi values. 2 pi r square. Oh, not 2 pi r square. Pi r square only, right? Wait. Look at here. The base is one only. So pi r square plus 2 pi rh. Okay. So pi into 3 square plus 2 pi into 3 into 10.5. Okay. So 9 pi plus 2 pi into 3 into 105 by 10. 10.5 we can write 105 by 10. This 2 and this is cancel 5. Okay, 5 and this cancel 21. Correct or no? So now what? 9 pi plus 21 into 3, 63 pi. So that means 72 pi. Correct or no? Then finally 72 into 22 by 7. Okay. Then we can cancel 72 and 7. We can cancel, right? Okay. Then what the cost? Okay. Now we need. Okay. Don't cancel. Then in this type 35 there is required. Cancel here 5. So you multiply that much. Answer is 7920. 7920. Don't find separately. Okay. Don't find separate. Look at here. Hey, wait. Look at here. Suppose one figure 10 pi, 3 pi, 2 pi. How much? 15 pi. Okay. Right? Listen. 10 pi, 3 pi, 2 pi. Just add this what? 15 pi. Okay. That means then you multiply by 22 by 7. Don't multiply like this. 10 into 22 by 7. 3 into 22 by 7. 2 into 22 by 7. It will take much time. Okay. Don't do that way. This way you follow. Follow it this way. You just keep it as pi. Don't do the don't multiply with the pi. Here also pi. Then finally, last moment only multiply with the pi. So then you multiply everything cancel. You get a clean answer. Okay. So this is okay. Now we are going to further discuss the extra questions. Okay. Yeah, you have to do LT. Yeah, LSA plus base area only. This is the base area. Shilash, pi r square is the base area. LSA is what? 2 pi RH. Correct. Y multiplied by 35. Read the question. Hello. Read the question, then ask me. You read. Okay, finish this one. Okay, Pranav, you got? Inaya, I told you already the portion. Are you sleeping or not? You don't want to try the test. Inaya, okay? Don't try the test. Okay. Yes, no, other Inaya. Okay? Not you. Because I thought today also I said, just now I said, which test portions. I want you right, I want to check your paper. Okay? Good. Okay, next question. Next one is a star question, right? You only said no, sir. Could you tell the test portion? Right? You only asked test portion. What test portion? Then what? Who this one? Could you tell the test portions at 7:17? That's you. Correct or no? Come on. Then who asked this one? Okay, finish. Okay, finish. This is you. Okay. Just wait. Okay. So next question, right? Hello. Next question. A solid cylinder has total surface area. A solid cylinder has total surface area of 462 centimeter square. 462 centimeter square. A solid cylinder has total surface area of 462 centimeter square. 462 centimeter square. 462 centimeter square. For 62 centimeter square. Okay. Its curved surface area is 1/3 of its total surface area. 1/3 of its total surface area. Its curved surface area is 1/3 of the total surface area. Find the radius and height of cylinder. Find the radius and height. Find the radius and height of the cylinder. Okay. Also find the volume. Also find the volume. Also find the volume. Once again, a solid cylinder has total surface area is 462 centimeter square. 462 centimeter square. 462. Okay. A solid cylinder has total surface area of 462 centimeter square. Its curved surface area is 1/3 of the total surface area. Its curved surface area is 1/3 of the total surface area. 1/3 of the total surface area. Find the radius, height, and volume. Okay, try now. Okay. Question is, this one is star question. Okay. A solid cylinder has total surface area of 462 centimeter square. A solid cylinder has total surface area of 462 centimeter square. 462 centimeter square. Its curved surface area is 1/3 of the total surface area. Its curved surface area is 1/3 of its total surface area. Its curved surface area is 1/3 of the total surface area. Find the radius, height, and volume. Okay, try now. The total surface area is 462 centimeter square. Curved surface area is 1/3 of the total surface area. Then find the radius, height, and volume. I don't know. You find out the volume. Okay. Wait. Let's finish. Okay, wait. The question is, total surface area is 462 centimeter square. Okay. Its curved surface area is 1/3 of the total surface area. Find the radius, height, and volume. Okay. Try now. You getting? I'll do it now. Hello. Are you trying or not? Okay. I'll wait. How come Ahmed here now? Ahmed. Hello, Ahmed. You are in other batch now. Then why join here? You attended yesterday. You attended yesterday. Then why? Then you have to ask now. Okay, look at here. Look, the question is saying total surface area 2 pi r square plus 2 pi RH equal to how much? 462. 462. Call it number 1. Then 2 pi RH equal to 1/3 of the total surface area, right? 1/3 of the total surface area. 1/3 of 462. How much that? 154, right? Correct or no? Then this one, 2. 2 pi r square plus 154 equal to 462. Therefore, 2 pi r square equal to 462 minus 154. How much that? 462 minus 154. How much? How much? 308. Okay. So r square equal to 308 by 2 pi. That is 308 divided by 2 into 22 going up 7. Okay. 2 into 22 by okay. How much this one? I think how much you got? 208 divided by cancel. How much you got? This one? 49. Okay, this is 49. So r equal to 7 centimeter. Then go to here. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 7 into h equal to 154. 7 cancel, h equal to 154 divided by 2 into 22. You'll get 7/2 centimeter. Okay, we got h. Then volume. Volume is pi r square h. 22 by 7 into r is 7 into h is 7/2. So you get the answer is what? 539 centimeter cube. Okay. If you have doubt, tell me. I'll explain again. No problem. Okay. If you have doubt, I'll do it again. Okay. Okay. So I'll explain again. Hello, listen here. So another good question. Look, listen now. What? Sunlight. Where sunlight, man? At 7:30, where is the sunlight? Hmm? Come on. That is another light, man. Okay, I'll do again this question. Okay, I'll do Priyansh. There's extra lights. Okay, see, there is one light here. You can see. Look, one light. Okay, light number one. There is another light. Light number two. Okay, you didn't see our classroom now. So look, there is our books. So okay, there is one clock. There is an additional AC. Right? There is one fan. It's all additional. Okay. And yeah, it's a very big room, and so many chairs is there, but chairs all now not using. Okay, now come to the question. Look at here. Okay, no, I'll do a full once we. Okay, look at here. Look, the question is, listen all, I'll read full. Okay. The question is, a cylinder has total surface area is this much. Total surface area is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh is 462. And its curved surface area, that is 2 pi rh is 1/3 of curved total surface area. We got 308. No, we got 154. That means curved surface area is 154. This line, okay? Listen, the question saying a cylinder has total surface area is 462 centimeters square. Total surface area means 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh equal to 462. Then 2 pi rh equal to 1/3 of 462. So equal to 154. Okay. Then 2 pi r square plus 154 equal to 462. Therefore, 2 pi r square equal to 308. It's going that side. So r square equal to 308 by 2 pi. We got 49. By 49, 2 into 22/7. Hence, r equal to 7. This r equal to 7, we substitute here. So what do we do? 2 into 22/7 into 7 into h equal to 154. 7 cancel, h equal to 154 divided by 2 into 22. 22 cancel here 7. So that is 7/2 centimeter. Now we got r, we got h. So volume pi r square h. 22/7 into 7 into 7 into 7/2. That is 539 centimeter cube. Finish. Now okay. Scroll last doubts clear now. Okay. Okay, so next question, right? Same type, another question. Okay. So, right. A solid cylinder has total surface area. A solid cylinder has total surface area. A solid cylinder has total surface area. Listen, a solid cylinder has a total surface area of 231 centimeter square. 231 centimeter square. A solid cylinder has total surface area. A solid cylinder has total surface area. A solid cylinder has a total surface area of 231 centimeter square. 231 centimeter square. 231 centimeter square. Its curved surface area. Its curved surface area is 2 by 3 of the total surface area. Its curved surface area is 2 by 3 of the total surface area. Its curved surface area is 2 by 3 of the total surface area. Find the volume of the cylinder. Find the volume of the cylinder. Find the volume of the cylinder. Once again, a solid cylinder has a total surface area 231 centimeter square. Okay, a solid cylinder has total surface area 231. Its curved surface area is 2 by 3, not 1 by 3, 2 by 3 of the total surface area. Find the volume. Okay, do it now. Okay. I will listen the question. Total surface area 231. Curved surface area 2/3 of total surface area. Curved surface area 2 by 3 of the total surface area. Find the volume. Okay. Okay. I don't know how to find out. 269.5 to 69.5 centimeter square, centimeter cube. 269 centimeter to 69.5 centimeter cube. Okay, okay, I'll wait, I'll wait. Okay, finish. TSA is 231. TSA is 231. 231. Okay, finish. 269.5 centimeter cube. Are you okay now? 269.5 centimeter cube. This is, I'm not going to explain this because like previous question only. Okay. So next question, right? Right. The inner diameter of a, next question. The inner diameter of a well is 3.5 meter. The inner diameter of a well is 3.5 meter. Its deep 15 meter. Its deep 15 meter. Once again, the inner diameter of a well is 3.5 meter. Inner diameter is 3.5 meter. Its deep 15 meter. Find the inner curved surface area. Find the inner curved surface area. Find the inner curved surface area. 2. The cost of plastering. The cost of plastering this curved surface area. The cost of plastering this curved surface area at the rate of 40 rupees per meter square. 40 rupees per meter square. Okay, once again, the inner curved surface area. Listen, the inner curved surface area the inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter. Okay, inner diameter is 3.5. Inner diameter is 3.5 meter, 15 meter deep. Find the curved surface area. Then find the cost at the rate of 40 rupees. Okay. GIS starting from next week. Hello, GIS school, 1st August. Fourth August. Online, right? No. Okay. What about DPS? Okay. Okay. Can you try this question? No, we didn't do. We didn't do this. Another well. The inner diameter of a well is 3.5 meter. Deep is 15 meter. Find the curved surface area. Then find the cost. Okay. Same type we did. Yes. Okay. So next question. Right. So okay now 6,600 rupees. Next question. 20 cylindrical pillars. 20 cylindrical pillars. 20 cylindrical pillars are to be cleaned. Are to be cleaned. Are to be cleaned. Okay. So the diameter of each pillar. The diameter of each pillar. Diameter of each pillar. The diameter of each pillar the diameter of each pillar is 0.50 meter. 0.50 meter. 0.50 meter. 0.50 meter. Okay. 0.5 meter and height 4 meter. And height 4 meter. And height 4 meter. Okay. What will be the cost of cleaning? 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 What will be the cost of cleaning them at the rate of 2.5 rupees per square meter. 2.5 rupees per square meter. 2.5 rupees per square meter. Okay, once again, 20 cylindrical pillars are to be cleaned. Okay, 20 cylindrical pillars are to be cleaned. If the diameter of each pillar, is 0.50 meter, 0.50 meter, and height 4 meter, what will be the cost of cleaning? What will be the cost of cleaning them at the rate of 2.5 rupees per square meter? 2.5 rupees per square meter. ₹2.5 per square meter. Okay, try now. Question: 20 cylindrical, listen. 20 cylindrical pillars. 20 cylindrical pillars are to be cleaned. 20 cylindrical pillars are to be cleaned. If the diameter of each pillar, is 0.5 meter, and height 4 meter, what will be the cost of cleaning? What will be the cost of cleaning at the rate of 2.5 rupees per square meter? Pi value not given, that means 22/7. Okay. Pi value not given, that is 22/7. ₹2.5 per square meter. 2.5 rupees per square meter. Okay, finish it fast. Okay. What is the cost? $314.28 rupees. 314.28 rupees. Okay. So next question, right? Okay, next one. Ready now? Hello. Next question. Are you okay now? Saturdays not change in time. Okay. Answer is 314.28. 314.28. Okay, right. Next question. The curved surface area of a cylindrical pillar is the curved surface area of a cylindrical pillar. The curved surface area of a cylindrical pillar. The curved surface area of a cylindrical pillar is 264 meters square. 264 meters square. The curved surface area, listen, the curved surface area of a cylindrical pillar is 264 meters square. 264 meters square. And its volume 924 meter cube. Volume is 924 meter cube. Volume is 924 meter cube. Volume is 924 meter cube. Find the diameter and height. Find the diameter and height. Okay, question again. The curved surface area of a cylindrical pillar is 264 meters square. 264 meters square. And volume 924 meter cube. Volume 924 meter cube. Find the diameter and height of the pillar. Find the diameter and height of the pillar. Okay. You'll try or I'll do it. Look at here. here. The curved surface area of a cylinder is 264. 2 pi RH is 264. Okay. Total surface volume is pi R square H is 924. Okay. Okay. You have to find out what H and R. Very simple. Look at here. It just divide it. What happened? Pi cancel. H cancel. Okay. R cancel. So 2 by R. I don't know. 2 pi RH. Pi cancel. 1 R cancel. H cancel. 2 by R equal to 264 divided by 924. So 264 R equal to 2 into 924. You find out R. Okay. After getting R, you go to 2 into 22 by 7 into, you get R, H you can find out. Do it now. Okay. You just divide it. Okay. Divide means to remove the one variable, H is removed now. You have to find our answer. Okay. Because we have to eliminate either R or H. So easiest way, just divide it. Clear or not? So we got 2 pi RH divided by pi R square H. Pi cancel, R and 1 R cancel, H cancel. So balance 2 by R is 264 divided by 924. You'll get R from here. Everybody got R? Oh, that's a big R. Mother, it's a wrong man. I don't think that much big. It is 14 only. What calculation you're doing? This guy, no, Mother, you go for some additional multiplication class. Okay. Just you have no idea about division also. I don't know how you reach 9. We learned this before school start. Learn division class and all. Okay. So you got okay. So now we got R. After getting R, R is 14. Then you go to here 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 into H equal to, you can find out H. H you will get 6. You'll get H equal to 6. So this is enough today. Tomorrow's test is this portion. Clear now? Surface area volumes. Mansvi, okay. Saturday timing is same like 1 o'clock. Okay.